Alright guys, how's it going? Moto Dragon here again. The traffic is so bad I completely forgot to speak. It's really fucking bad today. For whatever reason, I don't know, it's only fucking Tuesday like. And everyone's going slow. Everyone's going so slow. The main thing I wanted to talk about was, one, look how beautiful it is. Like it's autumn. Autumn. It's autumn now and look at the trees and the leaves. Mind you, it's freezing. High vis is on and I have my thermal, my little thermal air in my jacket. It fucking needs it. It's so cold. All the cars had frost on them. It's nearly winter. What's the worst thing now is it's Halloween on the weekend, this weekend, which means the clocks go back. I don't know. I'm trying to think. It's like spring forward, fall back. I don't know. Something like that. So we lose an hour in the evening, and we gain it in the morning. So get an extra hour in bed, but it means it's going to start getting dark about 4 o'clock because it's 6 o'clock now and it's starting to get dark. So it means in the next kind of like 2 weeks or so it's going to start getting really dark in the evening a lot faster. I already wake up and it's pitch black. That's why like the videos I've been recording, they've been starting in Dublin, because by the time I get to Dublin it does be dark. So that's the only reason why. That bike goes straight through the red light, or is he stopped? I don't know. I think he stopped. It just looked like he went straight through that. I'm gonna get in the motorway now, so I'm gonna catch us back when I finish. Alright. Look at that sunset. Probably can't hear a word I'm saying. Look at that sun. Now see, driving in like the heat is nice, but driving in this kind, like right now, is the best, I think. The sun has that proper autumn orange glow. The sky is perfect. There's, you know, it's bone dry. It's chilly now, mind you. It's pretty fucking cold. I know if I didn't have my thermal lining on, I'd be pretty cold, but I'm actually very nice. The RPHA thermal liner, I have to say, it's pretty fucking nice. Yeah, you're going too slow. The RPHA thermal liner is pretty good, to be honest. Like, as thermal linings go, it's pretty good. It keeps by far the worst off. Like, I was cold this morning, but it was quite cool, quite nice. It doesn't sweat you too much, or it doesn't let too much in. But anyway, like, look at that sun. Look at that sunset. That's just the fuck. That's the best. But yeah, what I want to talk about is, in 2 months it's going to be the end of the year. At this moment I have like 917 subscribers or something like that when I last checked. My goal, I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of 2018. I think I've said it since the start. What the fuck is that? I need to go slow to see that. What was that? Oh my god, it's one of those fucking... What are they called? Oh man, that was so fucking cool. If I knew where that went, I'd so follow him. Oh, I don't know, was it a bicycle or a car? I seen them somewhere, but I can't remember. That was pretty cool, I'm not gonna lie. That was pretty cool. But yeah, I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. And what I want to do is I want to do a giveaway. I'm thinking of a €50 like sports, well, 50 whatever your currency is, You know, it's going to be $50, pounds, euro. I was going to say yen, but I think 50 yen is like a few cents, if I'm not mistaken. It's not much, but 50 of whatever your money is. I was thinking sportsbikeshop.co.uk. I buy all my stuff there. You know, instead of giving away, I know a lot of people give away like gloves and shit, but why would I get a pair of gloves when most people, you know, everyone's gonna be different sizes. Everyone like would think that I'm like, I have them a size large or whatever. I'm a fucking size small, little baby hands, and my head I'm a size small. You know, I'm a fucking little runt. For whatever reason, my hands are just tiny. Makes my dick feel bigger. That's all I'm saying. I always try to say, when I say stuff like that, I always try not to laugh, but I can't because it's sad. I'm not laughing with myself, I'm laughing at myself. But yeah, I want to do like a giveaway so you can buy something yourself. You know, whether it be a new pair of gloves, you know, something towards a jacket, a helmet, like, you know, 50 euros, 50 fucking euro, scabby bastards. Popo. No, it's a wannabe Popo. But that's what I want to do. So, obviously when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to do something. But I want to hit it this year. And I want to give the 50 euro away this year. So you can buy something in, say, the New Year sales or something like that, because, you know, that's when you save a lot of money. You're coming up to Christmas, you know, and obviously I need your guys' help. So, you know, anyone watching this, subscribe for your chance. When I get to about 950, I'll start giving the details, but I'm gonna probably do it like a standard kind of one. I might do like a Google form, so I can stick it all into an Excel and just pull a random person from that. That might be the easiest. Oh my bollocks, Jesus, that might be the easiest way to do it. So yeah, guys, just subscribe, share, do whatever the fuck you want to do. I really want to hit 1,000 subscribers. I think 1,000 subscribers this year would just be fucking phenomenal. Am I thinking up? No. And I really hope you guys, or I really want you guys to help me make that happen. You know, I'm trying to be a bit more active now that I have my laptop, and now that I'm not working weekends anymore. I want to start doing a few more stuff. Hopefully the next kind of week, maybe 2 weeks. Fuck, it could be about 2 weeks. I could have a new bike. You know, who knows? I'm gonna try sort all that fairly soon. We'll see what happens. But look, guys, that's what I wanted to mainly say. I wanted to share my love of fall. No, it is fall. Autumn, fall. Because the leaves fall. There you go. Boom. That's how you know. Because it is fucking beautiful. It's just before the really shitty weather, but it's beautiful. I fucking love it. I think all this week's actually going to be very, very nice. Next week so far looks a bit shit, but you know, the weather changes every day, so who knows. Yeah, guys, and I want to hit 1,000 subscribers. You know, I want you guys to make it happen. There's the only kind of rule I'm gonna have. Oh, your tire's fucked. The only rule I'm gonna have for winning the 50 euro voucher, or 50 of your currency voucher, that's what I'm gonna call it now. Look at that sky, it's beautiful. All you have to do is be subscribed. That's all you gotta do. So guys, I'm just gonna end it here before I get on the motorway again. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Help me get to this 1,000. That would be fucking awesome. 50 euro could be yours. I have to take it easy, actually, it's pretty cold. Look, guys, I hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll talk to you on the next video.